Want to slow down a crazy fast voiceover? Or maybe speed up some footage for fun? Let's adjust the audio. Here's how you do it. Tap on the audio track you want to modify. Hit the speed button. Now you see a slider that lets you speed up or slow down the audio. Slide to the left or slow mo, or right or fast forward. Be mindful of the pitch setting. Pro tip: use this for comedic moment or to fast paced song with your video action. Speed control: your video now has the perfect rhythm.